In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Calendly landing page. This is the public page people see when they're booking time with you, so knowing how to quickly access it is really helpful for sharing, testing, or updating your scheduling experience. Let's start from inside Calendly. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account in your browser. Once you're logged in, look for the section called Scheduling. Depending on your layout, this might appear in the main navigation on the left side of the screen or along the top. Go ahead and click on Scheduling. When you open the scheduling section, you'll see a list of your meeting types or event types. These are the different kinds of appointments people can book with you, like intro call, consultation, or office hours. This page is where you manage how people book time with you, and it's also where you'll find the option to view your public-facing page. Now, locate the option that says View Landing Page. This is usually shown near the top of the scheduling interface or close to your event types list. Click on View Landing Page. As soon as you click it, Calendly will open your public scheduling page in a new tab or window. This is your landing page. This is exactly what your invitees will see when they open your Calendly link. Take a moment to scroll through the page and review how everything looks. Check that your name or brand is displayed correctly, your event types appear the way you expect, and the times shown match your availability settings. If anything looks off, you can simply go back to the scheduling tab and adjust your event types or availability, then refresh the landing page to see the changes. You can also copy the URL of this landing page directly from your browser's address bar. This link is what you'll share in emails,